Journal Entries Report. A journal entry report is a document that provides a detailed record of all the journal entries that have been recorded in a company's general ledger during a specific period. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Transaction Reports, Journal Entries Report. From report filters, you can select accounts. You can select particular account. You can select range of accounts, or if you don't select any account, system will display all accounts. You can select active accounts, inactive accounts, or both accounts. You can select account category. You can select a particular category, range of accounts categories, or if you don't select any accounting category, system will display all account categories. From report options, you can select date range. After that, you can view report. From this report, you can view journal entry date, journal entry description, journal entry reference number, accounts, debit amounts, credit amounts. You can view total for this period. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original journal entry.